Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device and signing in. That avoids lockouts when changing safety features. Once done, open Settings and type Emergency or Safety in the search bar to jump straight to SOS options. Make sure your passcode or account credentials are handy because both iPhone and Android often require authentication for toggles. This first action reduces mistakes and gets you to the exact menu where automated calls and alerts are controlled. Don't skip this step. You now turn off the automatic triggers that make the SOS call. On iPhone, tap Emergency SOS and flip off Auto Call and Countdown Sound so the button sequence won't dial 911 automatically. On Android, go to Safety and Emergency and disable the power button shortcut or auto call feature. Exact labels vary by manufacturer, but the concept is the same. Also, make sure Auto Share or Emergency Contact Location Sharing is turned off so your location isn't broadcast inadvertently. This prevents false activations. You finish by verifying changes persist. Restart the phone and return to the Emergency/Safety menu to confirm toggles remained off. Some devices require a reboot to apply changes. Then do a cautious test. Use the menu without triggering the physical shortcut to ensure no auto call occurs. If settings revert or the toggle is grayed out, update the OS and try again. If that fails, back up and reset settings or contact the device maker. One key tip: do not test true emergency numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.